Salesforce Sales Cloud is what most people think of when they think of Salesforce. It is the original Salesforce product and accounts for about 23% of Salesforce's total annual revenue. Sales Cloud is a customer relationship management or CRM tool that allows you to manage the lifecycle of your customers from capturing and nurturing them as a lead through to identifying and closing an opportunity with them as a new account or customer. Sales Cloud can operate in both B2B and B2C environments using a combination of data models. For B2B, this data model is built around accounts and contacts, and for B2C, it is built around the person account setup. Key features of Sales Cloud include lead management, opportunity management, product and pricing management, quotations, forecasting, email integration, sales collaboration, mobile access, reporting, and much more. There are also a number of add-ons to help with billing, subscriptions, contracts, revenue management, and to enhance the application with artificial intelligence using Sales Cloud Einstein. Salesforce Sales Cloud is designed to help sales teams manage their sales processes more effectively, winning more work. It helps sales teams track their customers through their journey and integrates with other Salesforce products such as Salesforce Service Cloud for customer service. You can also extend Sales Cloud through products from the Salesforce App Exchange and with your own custom processes, code, and components to meet your business needs. This is Cloud Bytes TV, and that was Sales Cloud in 100 seconds.